Hey, welcome back, you guys. Another special gear review for you. This is from the folks at CAMPLUX. They sent us another piece of gear to review and test out. As you know, we've got the shower system, portable hot water, propane shower system, hot water on demand and anywhere. We love it. So we were happy to try another piece of their camping equipment. This is the CAMPLUX Camping Stove 2 burners. It's got 19,600 total BTU. Stainless steel gas stove. It has auto ignition, and we're going to cook on it for the first time. Super easy to set up. You just attach the hose to your propane. It comes with a hose. It's got the cooktop. It'll hold up to a 19-inch. Not 19-inch. It'll hold up to a 9-inch pot or diameter pan, wok, stuff like that. It's got the thing to go over the, then this goes on top, thing to go over the burner. Each burner is like 9,000 something BTU. Super lightweight. I don't think it weighs more than 5 pounds total. However, that being said, you have to be careful with it. It can easily get dented. In fact, this one they sent us did get messed up in shipping, so they promptly sent another one out. It's not too bad. We're going to keep this one, and we're going to give away the brand new one in the box, no dents, to one of you guys. We'll have a drawing and raffle it off, and we will ship it to you. It's a $99 2-burner stove. Ideally, I think this would be best for van camping or off-grid, where it's you make a spot for it and just leave it. Yes, you can bring it in and out of your truck like we're doing, but it's more likely to get dented that way. It does not have a carrying case. They may have one. I'm not sure. We'll have to find out, or you'll have to find something. That's why I say ideally if you have van life or something like that, build out an indoor kitchen in it and just set it in there. It'd be great for that. Super easy to light. Let's check it out. It also does not have like a windshield around it, so it's they have smaller, more portable ones that you may want for something like that if space is really limited. But for an outdoor kitchen, van life, cabin property, this would be perfect. Really lightweight. $99 plus we have a discount code we'll put below. They also make it in single burner style if you just want a single burner. They have a lot of different cooktops on their website, so check them out. And we're gonna get this thing going. Pretty basic. There's not much, to it. It's a stove. Hook up the propane. It's got the sparker in there when you go to light it, and it's lit. There you go.
My thing is, if you're gonna cook on it, being the female and the cook in the family, I like the size. The size is really nice. I'm used to having smaller burners, which is kind of hard when you have lots of things or multiple things that you're going to cook. So the size is great for me. The burner size is awesome. I love that it has this middle section. I'm able to put my cookware when I'm cooking in there.
Turn that down.
I do like that it is really, really light. But like Jason said, you have to be very careful with transporting this. And I know he said there's not a windbreaker, but we actually have bought one. We use them in our tag when we're actually cooking. So you can actually purchase one that can go right behind here. And I think that would be awesome too. So far, I think this is pretty cool. It's going to be really easy for us making all those big meals this weekend. So I'm happy. And there are some rubber legs located on the bottom for when you put it on the table. So it's not like right on the table surface. So that is great for cooking too. Grab my butter. Ooh, look at how easy that lights.
So overall, really looks to be a really good product.
I like it.
Super lightweight, easy to transport in that respect.
Big cooking
Breakfast
surface.
is already done. You can cook. You can put a big pot on here. You should show them go grab that pot.
So you can actually. I'm gonna make I'm big on it's fall time, so it's soups, big pot. So you can actually put a big pot on here. I'll show you.
It's a huge soup pot.
Soup pot.
Really good product. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you soon.